How old is the roof? That is the number one question, guys. So Matt over here getting a handful of questions on this monthly at this point. Buying a home and the roof, getting homeowners insurance. It's not as easy as it sounds, or maybe things have changed, and well, they have in terms of getting insurance. So people don't think of this a lot of times when you're shopping for a home. It has the great neighborhood, it has the fence yard for the dog, the kitchen checks all the boxes, but no one really thinks about the roof when you're reverse looking at it until maybe it might be too late. So why do I say this? So insurances and insurance companies, to get insured, they will really look at the roof more than anything. Of course, structural issues, basements and things like that, of course, but the roof and the age of the roof, how many years are left on the roof, can take your insurance premium from $1,000 a year to $3,000 a year, or maybe not even insurable if the roof is at the end of its life cycle. So while you're shopping for homes, FHA, VA, conventional, this is all different loan programs, guys. You really need to look at the roofs in the beginning and see what might or might not affect your insurance premium, because that can affect the lending side of things, and it could be an expense that you're really not counting on. So, of course, with me and my clients, these are things that we look at. Your better real estate agents will absolutely go ahead and look and flag these areas for you. But just something to be mindful of while you're doing your searches on homes.com and scrolling through all your different places to go look at Zillow. Take a look at that roof, guys. If it's kind of stained a little bit, if it looks like a little bit on the older side, just be mindful of that insurance policy that you're going to be getting. So it might be one of your first best questions to ask on any listing or any seller is, how old is the roof? So that's my little takeaway for today, guys. Any questions, as always, let me know. I have a handful of great insurance agents in the Valley here that can get you where you need to be, answer those questions, and quote you some premiums. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.